Auntie, Oliver pushed me! He's lying, I will never do that. I will never do that. I heard your son pushed my son. I raised him right, but like the way he's acting, I don't think. Maybe you always thought of this son as perfect when he's actually perfect. Oh, I'm paying. Oh, you spoiled brat. I need to pay. Can't your mom buy you a phone?
What are we gonna do about the kids?
The kids keep fighting. We should teach them out.
You should never decide on your own. I am the man of the house.
Whether you like it or not, we're gonna kick them out.
Why did you do that?